When I was about 25, I went to a music festival called Resonance, and I learned that anyone in the world can just summon love to instantaneously enter their physical body. You can just experience love any moment that you choose. You can just welcome it into your experience right now. How? Well, you literally just say these words out loud. You can close your eyes if it helps, and you just say out loud, I welcome in the feeling of love. Ah, that feels really good. I need that today. So, once again, that's just I welcome in the feeling of love. And you can tangibly feel and experience love entering. For me, in my case, it enters through the crown, goes down into the heart, down into the sacral. On some days, I'm a more clear channel to receive the love than others. Today, I'm like a so pretty clear, but I can instantaneously feel my body relaxing. I can instantaneously feel that current of love enter my physical body through my energetic field. And you can do that too. You actually have the ability to welcome love into your experience anytime that you want. Poof, just like that. Now, your only limit in life is your imagination, and your imagination can fundamentally only be limited by what you believe. So, for example, if you really want to play with this tool and start playing with love as a creative fuel and source of joy and power in your life, you can say, I welcome in the feeling of divine feminine love. It's so soft and gooey and yummy. And you can say, I welcome in the feeling of divine masculine love. It's like stronger, supportive, like got your back, bro type energy. Detox tea. So you have the ability to instantaneously experience love. The number of ways in which you can utilize this are truly infinite. One of the most useful and beneficial ways that I have ever found to implement this is to use it to create beliefs. You can choose love as the source of fuel for your beliefs. You no longer have to be bound up in fear and sadness and anger and pain and agony, believing lies like I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy. You can literally just go to our free school community right now and receive instantaneous help and resources to dissolve your limiting beliefs using totally new methods that you've never seen before, like the sovereign mind method, like intentional reprogramming. And these will dissolve those beliefs out of your existence faster than you knew possible. And the second that you sign up, you'll be able to see it working for other people. You'll be able to get the book, you'll be able to resolve these beliefs permanently and dissolve them permanently out of your psyche and your body, because your beliefs are more than just a mental construct. That's a deep, deep, deep misnomer. Your beliefs are a mental, emotional, and energetic construct, which is why when you say the words out loud, I'm not good enough, you can feel a contraction in your body. When you say I'm not worthy, you can feel the energy of that belief. You feel it as sadness welling up behind your eyes. You feel it as dread in your chest, and your shoulders start to lurch. All of those emotions and sensations, that's a pattern of energy that's bound up to the intention, I'm not worthy. Now, with this welcoming and love process, you can actually choose to believe I am worthy if you want. That's a choice that you can make. But what I always recommend prior to that is that you dissolve and let go of the limiting belief, I'm not worthy. Now, how do you do that? Well, simple. You say these words out loud. I undefine all definitions that I am not worthy. I disidentify all identities that I am not worthy. And I am compassion and forgiveness for all ideas that I am not worthy. These are the three basic beginner commands of intentional reprogramming. When you undefine all definitions of being unworthy, you no longer have any sense or meaning of what that means. When you disidentify all identities of being unworthy, you no longer are carrying that as an identity, as a signature frequency in your field of vibration. You no longer identify as that, you are not that, and then it stops making sense. When you radiate the energy of compassion and forgiveness by saying, I am compassion and forgiveness for all ideas that I am unworthy, you are using your infinite creative power to send compassion and forgiveness, not just into yourself. You'll instantly feel that compassion and forgiveness in your body. And you'll feel that belief dissolving at a whole different dimension of your consciousness you didn't even know existed. But you also collectively heal the entire planet by dissolving that belief at the level of idea, in the mental plane, as they say in Hermetic and different magical traditions. You can dissolve that belief. And when you are a clean slate, you can choose to believe I am worthy if you want by saying, I welcome and love that I am worthy. I welcome and love that I am worthy. You might say to yourself, wow, that feels good. And it's like, yeah, it fucking feels good. You could choose to believe anything that you want. You have complete free will and command over your beliefs. You're the sovereign creator of your entire belief system. And your belief system, whether or not you believe it, doesn't matter. So believe it or not, your belief system creates all of the results that you're experiencing in your life. Creates all the positive effects, all the negative effects. Positive and negative in and of themselves are just beliefs. So literally at the level of every definition that you've ever learned in your entire life, that's a belief inside of your belief system because someone just told you what something meant and then you agreed to it. So your beliefs literally create the apparatus through which you experience reality. And so it's very important to be mindful and intentional about what kind of beliefs you choose to believe in. You can have beliefs like, I can't do it, nobody loves me, I'm unlovable, I'm a worthless piece of shit. I've played with those beliefs. They're not fun. I've also dissolved those beliefs using the tools that we give away for free in our community, Freedom Beyond Belief. You're invited to come check them out and see if they work for you. And when you don't have those beliefs, you'll be an open, clean slate. You can choose to install any other belief that you want in its place, or you can just choose to experience what life is like when you are no longer spellbound by a limitation program of not enough, not worthy, not capable, not important. And trust me, life is really fucking good when you don't have those beliefs in your belief system. And you've caught glimpses of what that life is like when you're just thoroughly enjoying yourself and things are working out. So I wanted to share that tool with you today, the welcome and love experience. That's all I got for you for now. Probably make more videos on this in the future, but thanks for being here. Peace. Love you.